Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a good day. I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Samsung Chromebook 4. This one is 11.6 inches. It comes with the 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. I was looking to buy one of the smaller Chromebooks because I never used them before. I usually stick around 13 to 14 inches. When it comes to Chromebooks and laptops, that's my sweet spot, but I decided to go a little bit smaller in size just to see how it feels and if I would enjoy it as much. Samsung has this weird specs where you can only get 6 gigabytes of RAM if you buy 64 gigabytes of storage. But if you go up on 128 gigabytes of storage, you only get 4 gigabytes of RAM. Same goes with their 15-inch size Chromebook and this one. Samsung Chromebook 4s only come with 11.6 inches Chromebook and 15-inch. Unfortunately, they don't have that sweet size, but I guess they left them for their more expensive models. Like their Chromebook Galaxy, which comes, I believe, in 13.3 inches. So let's unbox this. This is my first time unboxing. Let's see how it looks. Let me guys show you the specs before I unbox it so you can see the full specs. So it comes with the N4000 Intel processor, which I used before. It's a pretty good processor, pretty good budget. I haven't experienced any lag, and I reviewed about 4 or 5 different Chromebooks with the same. The ones I had was 4020 processor, but it should be all the same, maybe a little bit different speeds, but yeah, that's about it. So let's do the actual unboxing and let's see how it looks and what it comes with. So the first thing, what do we have here? We got the cable. It's got the USB-C cable. It looks pretty long, maybe 3-4 feet. And this one is a little bit different because all the Chromebooks come with the with the bigger brick. This looks more like a phone or tablet one. So here we are, Samsung fast charge, super fast charging. Let me see how many amps. It says travel adapter. And if you guys want to see it. Alright, so that's the two. It's funny. Thought this was a CD. Look how they put it in. So it's just a quick start guide. I'm not even gonna read that. Alright, so let's see how the Chromebook looks. Nicely packed. There we go. And that's about it, nothing else in the box. Oh, it's small. It's pretty small, but to be honest, it doesn't. It's not light. Honestly, I thought it would be like more lighter. Let me put it this way. So you got the Samsung Chrome. This top looks like it's made of aluminum, I believe. I don't think that's plastic. Bottom is definitely plastic. Let's go over what it has on each side. So on the right side you have USB 3.0. Then you have the Kensington slot on this side. At first I thought it was a USB-C, but it's not. It's a Kensington slot. And then on the left side you have the headphone jack, you have the SD card slot, and then you have USB-C, which of course you charge it with. I'm not sure if you can use it for other stuff like connecting your TV or extra storage or anything like that, but I know for sure it's used for charging. And then we see the keyboard. Honestly, I think the keyboard looks really nice. The trackpad is small, but that's normal for such a small Chromebook. Just on the first touch, it is nicely. It's clicky. But like I said, I'm gonna do the actual review in about a week. I'm gonna test everything, see how it feels during the day-to-day use. And on the bottom it has the one thing I don't like about, you know, this Chromebook is the speakers. It doesn't have the speakers where they pointing up, so you have the speakers on the bottom, which I'm not a big fan, especially if you have the laptop in your lap. That just the sound doesn't sound the same as if the speakers were on top. But yeah, it has two speakers. This screen, of course, it's not 1080p because it's such a small screen. It comes with the 720p resolution, which is pretty fine for such a small screen. You won't notice, you know, bad quality because, you know, it's if it was like 14-inch and then 720p, you can definitely tell the difference. But on 11.6, you won't tell the difference. And it also has the TN panel, which is different from IPS. It's just not as reflect, the colors don't pop as much. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And in a week I'm gonna have the actual review of the Chromebook.